Okay, here's how things are currently set up. I have my cowboy lights here. I have my boom stand here. It is parallel to the floor, perpendicular to the stand, so I can get a good overhead view of what I will be shooting. I have this tripod set up here so that you can see what I'm doing as I'm doing it and what I'm thinking the plan is going to be. You'll be set up here so you can watch everything. I'll set this camera up on this boom stand here, and then here I'll take my photos and any videos that come from a different angle. So like if I'm panning over things and stuff like that, I want to see how long, I know this camera doesn't last too long as far as recording, you have to turn it back on and off, but I want to see how long it'll last up here so I can get video of me shuffling things around and arranging things as well. I haven't used that one for that before. This camera does really good up here. I'll leave a link to some of the videos I've done where I'm using a good overhead shot of my photos when I do what are called plan with me's, where I use my products in my planner so you can kind of see what it looks like afterwards. I'll also include a little clip on top of this video so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. I know I said kinda and little all the time. I'm working on that, but moving on. So now I'm set up here, just going to attach this camera up there. Before you get started, make sure you've charged your cameras. It's really important if you want to take a photo shoot. You need something to use to take photos. So charge your camera, make sure your memory cards have enough space.